Hello, today I'm gonna be making a new paper airplane that I just found out today. So let's get to it. So first you start off like this. Then for the bottom up to the top. Make sure it's aligned pretty good. And then crease this side. Then open it back up like this, and then twist it forwards like this. And then you fold this corner down to the middle, like that. And then you do the same thing with the other side. If you need to, you can pause the video. So then it's going to turn out like this. So then here's what I think is the hardest part. You take this corner and like for this right here, like down. Or just like, okay, I don't know how to explain this. Grab this corner and put that corner like up. Okay, I'll just show you. This corner will fold down into the paper, into the crease. So I'll show it again. This here. And then just do the same with the other side. This corner, right down there. Hold on, I gotta do this again. Okay. So then it's gonna end up like this if you do it the same with the other side. So then you fold this top part down like that. Then it's gonna end up like this. So then you fold that in half. So this here to this. And then fold this wing down to this crease. Okay, this down to here. And then just flip it. Do the same with the other side. And then open it up. And this is called the Katana. Because it kind of looks like it. I think that this can fly pretty good. Okay, that's all for today. Please like and subscribe. Bye.